Give your little one the safest and most comfortable ride with the Graco SnugFit 35 DLX infant car seat. This isn't just a car seat. It's a premium safety system designed for peace of mind. The SnugFit 35 DLX boasts an innovative anti-rebound bar for superior rear-facing protection, keeping your precious cargo secure from 4 to 35 pounds. Installation is a breeze thanks to SnugLock technology. It takes less than a minute using either your vehicle's seatbelt or latch system. Plus, the adjustable base offers 5 recline positions for a perfect fit and easy installation. Adjusting the headrest and harness is effortless, even with your baby in the seat, thanks to the Simply Safe Adjust harness system. The one-hand adjustable handle makes getting your little one in and out a cinch, and those comfy head and body supports ensure a snug, secure, and comfortable ride for even the smallest infants. Stop worrying about installation and start enjoying precious moments. Visit our product page today and experience the difference of the Graco SnugFit 35 DLX. Click here to learn more and order yours now.